How to log in into GoDaddy account. If you have been using the GoDaddy website and wondering on how to log into it using your old account, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Google application and simply tap onto GoDaddy.com on your search bar and open it just like this. Now to log in, tap onto three dot lines right here, select it. Then here you can find account, tap on it. Now to log in, simply tap on to sign in right here and add your username and password and sign in, or you can simply sign in with using your Apple ID, Facebook or Google. Now choose one ID that you have used before, just like this, and tap onto that ID. And now you can see you have simply signed in. And that's it. This is how you can log in into the GoDaddy account. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.